Hello everybody, and on today's edition of Turk Murphy's Toy Solutions, we're on part 5 of the control panel build. And we're going to be doing most of the completed work on it this time. So, I made a few things for this. I didn't do it on camera, sorry guys. I tried to record it and then I somehow got deleted, so you missed some of the makings of this stuff. But this is basically what I'm going for right here. And I'm going to leave the other side here open because I got some goodies here. I got these and I might try to light them up and put them underneath this. But that's where we're at. So basically what I'm going to do today is we're going to be gluing this stuff to this and finishing this out and getting it ready to be painted. So that's what we'll do today, guys. We'll go on ahead and start cutting some of this stuff. I got some of this green stuff here. It's actually ink blotter. I'm going to use that for this. Kind of make me a mark there. I know where I'm going to need it there for that side. I'm going to make me a mark here where that's going to be. I'm going to try to chop that as straight as possible with these scissors here. That might be all right. I think it'll work. And after that, we're going to set that down here. We'll go ahead and mark that side. We got that other side marked, so we kind of know like right where. You guys probably ain't gonna be able to see the marks, but I can see them. That's gonna go in there, so that it'll have the illusion of having some sort of screen on there. I'll probably like print something on here or do something with the. But you got to be careful when you do that because this is just ink blotter stuff. But we'll see what we can do with that. So now I think we'll go ahead and we'll start the gluing process here. So we'll turn these around, because I know, well, actually we could start with this one here. I'm going to take this and move this over here and center it up right where I want it. It's about right there, I think. Yeah, a little more that way. Okay. And we'll just take our good old glue here. We'll put our glue to it. Okay. There started to glue, so I'm going to kind of put a little pressure there to make it bond a little better. Move around here and we'll put a little bit of glue on the other side here. Around the front, remember. We don't have to be shy. Once again, maybe add a little dab of pressure to it. Right in there. And that's going to go there. This is going to go right here. And I know that I'm going to put it right there because I kind of already looked at this. But I'm going to butter this up a little bit here on this side so that we have a little dab of glue here on it. That way when we flip it onto there, when we start adding our glue around, it will kind of already stick a little bit. So we got that buttered up. We're going to put that right there. And we'll we'll take a little bit of this, run it right down our edges. And we just push that on down. Put a little pressure to it for a second. We should be good. And we got another piece here. I'm going to take and file that a little bit more here on this side. We'll do the same thing here. Butter it up on this edge first. Real good. We'll stick it to it. Stick it to it right there. And on this one, we're going to turn this around because I want to get it right here on this edge, and I want to glue it from the back side here. So this is how we're going to do this. Get our glue on over here as close as possible. Oh, you see, I just moved it. And then we'll put a little dab of pressure to it. And get her kind of glued in the spot here for us. We know it's bonded up there good. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little swap there. I think a little swap down this other side here. And then a swap down the front. And that's us, guys. This is our control panel. Let's just say as complete as it's going to get by me. It's going to work for what I'm doing in my diorama that I'm building. It only took 5 parts. Yeah, there's going to be some painting, but I'm sure you've all painted stuff before, and I might have a video come back on the painting after I do that. But this is pretty much it. I don't know, guys. It took 5 swacks at it to get it all filmed up for you. Hope you guys like it. I enjoyed the videos. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment and all that. Be appreciated. My name's Turk Murphy. This is Turk Murphy's Toy Solutions. Y'all have a good one. Peace.